Welcome to day 28 of the $100,000 challenge. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. In today's video, we will go over all the numbers for day 28 of this challenge. But before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. And now let's jump right into the spreadsheet so we can see the numbers for today. Let's go. Alright, so now we are inside of my spreadsheet and here are the three coins that we own: UniSwap, the Graph, and Band Protocol. I invested $5,000 into each at these prices for a total investment of $15,000. And as you can see, every single day we record the numbers to see how much money we are making and how much money we are losing. And now let's go to day 28 of this challenge. You can pause anytime to see a particular day. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Alright, as you can see today, we are down $1,431. Pretty much all the coins that we are holding pulled back slightly. We started out the day pretty good, but then as the day went on, we started losing money. UniSwap went from $8,446 to $7,780. The Graph went from $9,524 to $9,052. Band Protocol went from $4,585 to $4,292. Now our initial investment of $15,000 is worth just over $21,125. So today we lost money. But if you look at the last like 5 days, day 23 we made money, day 24 we made money, day 25 we made money, day 26 we made money, and day 27. So we pretty much had 5 days in a row where we made money. Like I said in the previous videos, we will be expecting a negative day pretty soon. So hopefully today is the negative day, and then the next couple of days are going to be in the positive, and we're going to continue this uptrend so we can make even more profits. Alright, now we are on CoinMarketCap. As you can see, Bitcoin is above 55,800. Hopefully we end up closing above 55. In my opinion, if we can close over 55, that will continue the bullish trend, and then we should see $60,000 pretty soon. Also, Ethereum is negative right now, but when we started out the day, it was in the green. And then it slowly started falling down, and now we are in the negative, but I think Ethereum is going to pick up again. Binance Coin is positive. Pretty much everything else is like slightly negative or flat on the day. Cardano is down just over 2%. Polkadot is flat. UniSwap is down just over 4%. Litecoin is up on the day. Chainlink down 3%. Theta's pumping right now over 18%. Let's look at some other ones. Everything else seems pretty much flat. It is either up 1%, down like 0.5%, but overall everything is pretty much flat for today. Let's scroll down some more. What else is good? What else is good? Let's see the Graph. The Graph is up 2%. Yeah, overall the market, it is pretty much flat today. We started out the day pretty good, but then as the day went on, everything pretty much turned into negative. Oh, look at this one. Theta Fuel pumping over 61% on the day and 122% on the 7-day chart. As you can see right now, we have been flat pretty much the whole day. But I believe once people start receiving their stimulus checks, they're going to be investing in the crypto market. And also we have been pumping for 5 days straight. So a small pullback like this is completely normal. I believe tomorrow we're going to be pumping once again. Once people start getting excited about the stimulus money, people are going to want to turn that $1,400 into $5,000, $10,000. And the way they can do it is by investing in cryptocurrency. Alright everybody, that concludes this quick little update. Tomorrow morning, I'll be releasing another video showing you the next coin that I plan on purchasing. I haven't bought it yet. I'll probably buy it after this video depending if there's a minor pullback. If it is, then I'll be definitely buying and letting you guys know. So make sure you do not miss tomorrow's video. And as always, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions whatsoever, drop them in the comment section below, and see you in the next video. Peace out.